Yesterday's video was about how you express your happiness. What if you want to say that I'm upset about something? I'm sad about something? Well, here are 15 different ways, and once again, we'll follow the same practice. I will say each one of these statements thrice. Please practice these statements with me, and trust me, practice is the key to success. Remember that. So, let's get started. The first one in the list is I am feeling down. I'm feeling down. I am feeling down. The second one, I'm feeling blue. I'm feeling blue. I am feeling blue. Third one, I'm saddened. I am saddened. I am saddened. The fourth one, I'm heartbroken. I am heartbroken. I am heartbroken. The fifth one, I am in a state of sorrow. I am in a state of sorrow. I am in a state of sorrow. The sixth one, I'm experiencing deep sadness. I'm experiencing deep sadness. I'm experiencing deep sadness. The next one is I'm feeling low. I'm feeling low. I am feeling low. The next one is I'm downhearted. I am downhearted. I am downhearted. The next one is I'm feeling dejected. Not rejected, it's dejected with a D. I am feeling dejected. The next one is I'm feeling gloomy. I'm feeling gloomy. I'm feeling gloomy. Then comes I'm overwhelmed with sadness. I am overwhelmed with sadness. I am overwhelmed with sadness. Then comes I'm feeling heavy hearted. I'm feeling heavy hearted. I'm feeling heavy hearted. Then comes I'm feeling somber. I'm feeling somber. I am feeling somber. The 14th one is I'm in a state of grief. I am in a state of grief. I am in a state of grief. And the 15th one, I'm feeling desolate. I'm feeling desolate. I'm feeling desolate. Hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe, like, and share. That is how you can express your commitment to learning. And in the comments, don't forget to mention which one was new out of the entire list that I just shared. We'll see you soon with another interesting episode. Till then, take care of yourself, keep learning.